So my new pinup girl t-shirt with the inside pocket print has been getting a lot of good feedback on Instagram. I've had a lot of other fellow screen printers ask how it was printed, so I'm going to demonstrate how it's done. So this is a 4-inch wide sleeve palette. I wish I had 3-inch because with the 4-inch it's just a little wide on the pocket, so it stretches it a little bit. So if I had a little bit smaller palette, it would be a little smoother job, but it's really simple. So the artwork is flipped around where it's facing me as opposed to facing the other way when you bottom feed a shirt, and it's towards the edge of the screen. I got 3 colors here, and really the trick is all you do is go through the neck. I have a line drawn right here where I'm going to line up the pocket. So I got the pocket lined up. I'll just straighten out the rest of the shirt on here. I keep my hand here, and all I'm going to do is fold the pocket underneath. That's all there is to it. Removing the shirt can be a little tricky, so you got to be careful here. Make sure the pocket doesn't fold back over. There you have it. Pretty simple process. Fold the pocket back over. There you go. How to print inside of a pocket tee. So those are available on my website. There's a link in the description if you want to purchase one. Leave a comment, all that stuff. I like to hear other screen printers' suggestions or print shop hacks they have, so let me know.